What's good, Dot Motivate hitting you. And I damaged my kickstand. It sunk in some grass, and I bent the catch of the Jiffy stand. If you know Harley, they've been making these things for years. The same design on the kickstand. So this is the damaged piece right here. If you look closely, see that damage? This is the brand new piece. So I'm going to replace that. If you're looking, these things are about 10 bucks. I ordered 2 of them, so I don't never have to go through this again. Stay in tune. I'm going to show you guys how it worked out, and all you need is a 1.5 wrench. I'm going to let you guys know how it worked out. Cheers.